The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skiller! Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller, and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, there is a video that is circulating that is said to be of a pastor that is known as David Wilson and a female. Alright? Now, based on what has been said on social media, it is said that the pastor that is known as Pastor David Wilson, it is said that he is married, and it is also said that the person that is known as the pastor that is in the video, he is cheating on his wife with the female that is seen in the video. Now, bear in mind that what I just told you is based on what has been said on social media. Now, there is a pastor that is known as Thaddeus Matthews, and there seems to be somewhat of a confusion where some people says that he is the pastor that is in the video that is said to be of a pastor cheating on his wife with another woman, and some people says no, that is not him. He is not the one that is in the video. Alright, now I have a video of the pastor that is known as Thaddeus Matthews, and he is talking about the pastor that is known as David Wilson and the video, and he went on to talk about the female that is seen in the video as well. Now, viewers and subscribers, I am going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Alright, and this video somewhat clears up what has been said on social media about who is in the video from who is not in the video. Alright, now I am going to show you this video, but before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the languages in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Tonight, I'm going to be talking about preachers need to eat too. This is part 2. I started this last night. And it's all over this conversation about Pastor David E. Wilson eating. I find nothing absolutely wrong in eating. Let me just clarify that. Ain't nothing wrong with eating a clean, good. It's healthy for you. But there's a whole lot of conversation about him eating. And we're going to talk about the fact that this young woman, first of all, is an adult. She's the daughter of his wife's, best friend. So that does kind of complicate some things. And I think men, if they watch this tape, will learn some things from the pastor. Pastor was licking from, did some great things, not so well around, but, practice makes perfect. Perfect. Okay. Let me get ready. I've got to get dressed, head to the studio. Join me tonight. I'm going to open up the phone lines and allow you to partake of the conversation. But I have no problem with the pastor eating. Ladies, do you have problems with the pastor eating? Well, do you eat? I'm a single man, and yes, I do. See you at 7 p.m. Central on the Thaddeus Matthews TV show.